Driving basics number 4. And this is another very basic one. And I honestly can't say the last time that I saw someone else doing this, which actually baffles me because of how simple and effective it is. And it's actually my urge to want to do it. I don't feel like I don't want to do this at certain junctions. So I'm coming up to a junction now. I'm going to be turning right. It's a crossroads. I've got a very good view ahead. And by the time I get to the junction, I will have a good view to the left, only because I know the junction, of course. But I can't see enough to make a decision. So I'm going to come to a stop. Now, this is my view at the crossroads. To the right, very, very poor. So really simply, I'm going to put my window down. And if I hear nothing, I'm going to start to creep. Check there's no bicycles, quieter vehicles. And when I see that's physically clear, I continue. If anything had been coming from the right that I feel I can't carry on with my emerge, I would very simply just stay still and let them make the decision of whether they go around me or whether they decide to allow me to continue. It's pretty basic, that. And as I said, honestly, I drive past that crossroads very regularly and I never see the person creeping out have their window down. They're always just creeping out with window up, and I have to respond to them, or they see me very late and then they respond, and they would hear me long before they turn up. I turn up. So this time I'm going to be approaching the crossroads from the opposite side. And the view from this line, this giveaway line, is even worse. I'm just going to be going ahead. Now, I'm imagining that I don't know the junction, but I can already tell the view's not going to be great. And this time I won't be able to see either of the ways. I won't be able to see very well left or right. So again, they're just so effective. Really simple. If I can hear a car, I'll stay still and allow them to carry on. They're on the major road. Don't really understand why it doesn't happen more. When I can't see, the first thing I want to do is get my window down and try and see if I can hear. But yeah, usual stuff. Let me know. Do you do this in the comments? Do you notice that you're constantly getting people pull out on you that really should be having a window down? Do you think that would help? Be good to hear that other people are doing this, of course, because it's very, very simple. I'll see you for the next one.